What's a folder?
Oh, it's a folder! Oh, that's so cool. I'm glad I opened it. I was like, oh, it's a little poster. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. What up, witches? Welcome back to my channel. I can't breathe! I can't breathe! So yeah, I just took a break from YouTube last week so that I could focus more so on the issues of what is going on in our world, what has been going on in the world, and what needs to change. Please, please, please do what you can. I'll even support some links down below on some ways that you can help, some ways you can help if you don't have any money to donate, etc. All these amazing things that you can do to raise awareness and to stop the systematic racism that is going on, has been going on in our country since it started, basically. It's ridiculous. I am kind of ashamed to be an American. Oh, and speaking of change, the reason I didn't say my name in the beginning is because I'm planning on undergoing a change on this channel. I might change my name again, you know, because I love to do that. But we'll see. I'm all about transformation and transformative change. In the words of Mother Monster, Lady Gaga, we are forever going through, I don't know her exact words, but she said we are consistently, physically and metaphorically always going through a metamorphosis. We are always changing. Oh okay. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, so the world needs to change, the US needs to change, this channel might change soon. I don't know, it's still gonna be me, but I might undergo an entire change, I don't know. But that's not what we're talking about today. So about a month ago, I kept getting this advertisement for Yumetwins. I've always wanted a subscription box, and I've just been, I don't even know what to say, but I don't know, I had a little bit of extra money, and I just wanted something special. I wanted to treat myself. I felt really upset that I missed, let's see what I was upset that I missed the May month of the Yumetwins because they were saying it was a Studio Ghibli thing, and I was like, they were like specifically promoting Kiki's Delivery Service, which is my absolute favorite Studio Ghibli movie of all time, maybe even my favorite movie of all time. I don't know, but it definitely shaped a lot of who I am. But yeah, so I'm just looking at it. It's so pretty. Okay, so I decided to get, so I just had to like take a second for I'm not doing well. I'm a little anxious today, probably because I had a Red Bull. I don't know. But so yeah, so I decided to get June's Yumetwins box, and I'm really excited. This was supposed to be like the specific Studio Ghibli one, but I think it's just like the Kawaii one, and it's really cute. Like, oh, it has like these little kitties all over it. I believe this says Kawaii in Japanese. Yeah, that's a ka, and I think that's a EE, so that's Kawaii. I haven't taken Japanese in a long time, I don't know. But it's so cute. Like, look, it's got like little kitties all over it, rainbows, kawaii, some hearts. Oh, it's so cute. And then, you know, the backs, and then the front. So let's get started. So Yumetwins.com, so they do subscription boxes every single month. So it ended up being about $45. We're gonna open it, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open it up towards you guys so that you guys get to see it first, okay? I don't know what's in there, but I hope it's good. Oh no! Wow, so cute! Okay, so this is the Ghibli Night In. Aw, this is cute. We love you. It makes Yumetwins special to community of users. The Yumetwins fam are always trying to see your cute photos. Keep spreading the love of all things kawaii by sharing your fave pics with Yumetwins. We might even choose your photo to be in the next book. Look at, aw, how cute! Aw, this chick did a little thing with it on her broomstick. That is too cute. I love this. Okay, so scan me for surprise. Okay, we'll let her know. This is so cute. So it's got like all these little things that, oh, what's inside your hand, inside your thing. and photo contest. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so what we got is a My Neighbor Totoro toothbrush. It's so cute. I needed a new toothbrush, and I hope this is all bamboo. That way we can compost and recycle it. It looks like it is. But yeah, so that's super cute. I'm gonna hold it like this. Oh, My Neighbor Totoro. Oh, it's a little postcard. How cute. Okay, this is the reason why I got this. Oh, I'm gonna get one. I thought you got like a whole bunch, but yeah, it's a cute little like Tupperware, GG all over it. Well, it's actually probably good I only got one because I ain't got room for like a bunch of them. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to clean this out. Made in Japan. It's super cute. It's kind of flimsy, but ooh, I know exactly what can fit in this. So when we eat curry, there's these amazing red pickled radishes that I love to put in. It just gives it a little cold crunch and I just love it. And this will fit perfect. Cute. Oh, I love it. Okay, and a Totoro bag. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of really wanted the Gigi bag because he's my favorite, but that's okay. It's still super cute. Let's see, let's open it up. I thought it was like a backpack, so it's like a little purse. So that's cute. Looks like it could fit a decent amount of stuff in here. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple, pretty cute. Wish I would have gotten the Gigi bag. If anybody wants to trade, let me know in the comments down below because I love Totoro, but come on. Kiki's Delivery Service is my favorite. My favorite. I mean, they're all phenomenal. They're all such good movies. Okay, and then I'm really excited for this next one. Is it larger or okay? So just got a little bent because how is it? But oh my god, this is like literally my favorite scene from Spirited Away because she's with Haku. This is where she discovers his name. Sorry if there's spoilers, but oh, so cute. Where should I put this? Should I put it like right here or will it fit here? No. I wonder where it'll fit. This will be cute, right? Do you guys want it there? Oh, I love Spirited Away, so cute. Okay, and that's it. Super cute. Wish I would have gotten a Gigi bag, but you know, that's the fun part about subscription boxes is that you don't, I mean, they put what you were gonna get in there. Like, honestly, the main reason why I wanted it was because of this and this, and I got that, so that's pretty cool. That, you know, they give you like a sneak peek of what you can get and then you just cross your fingers and hope for the best. Wow, so this is actually a really short video. I thought there was gonna be a little bit more, but I guess not. So this is super cute. I wanna take a look. Oh, my cat wants to say hi, hold on. Oh, say hello, Sasuke. This is Sasuke. He's super camera shy, so he's like not having this right now. Oh, he's actually being pretty good. Can I have a kiss? Oh, he's like looking around. There's a bug. Oh, what a sweetheart. With my perfect baby boy. Thanks for joining, baby. Look what we got. Does not care. But yeah, see, I love little black cats. Little black kitties. Okay, he's done. Okay, bye. Come say hi to everybody. Sasuke just came and said hi. You look nice today. Wearing the pink, it's my favorite.
Hello. Good.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, look at. Okay, I want you to look at this. Come here. Look at this. So this is what I wanted, right? Isn't that cute? You know what would fit perfect in here are those radishes.
Oh.
Because we always use that
credit
like, yeah. Because we always use, you know, that one like old one. And I really hate using that because
okay.
like I hate having it in the pantry when we don't have anything in it because it's just not cute.
Mm-hmm.
So this will be perfect. Because you know how much I love this. Or I could just use it for a bento, but it's kind of small for like, I mean, I guess I could. But yeah, so we got that.
Is that a postcard?
Yeah, isn't that cute?
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. I might like put it right there or something. My toothbrush.
What?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
What's that? Oh, cool.
Cute. I don't even know if I showed that. And then a little poster. Isn't that cute?
Is that a thing you write on?
No, it's a little poster. I don't know.
No, it's not. I don't know what that is.
It's like a little poster, right? Like, let's take a look.
What's a folder?
Oh, it's a folder! Oh, that's so cool. I'm glad I opened it. I was like, oh, it's a little poster. Neat.
That's cool.
You could put like your art in here and have it for a portfolio.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be cool. 2001 Studio Ghibli. Is that when this was made? I still kind of like it as
Sounds
like
about right.
something like right here. I still think that'd be kind of cute. Huh. It's my little corner. Let me decorate it. Yeah. All right, that's it. Oh, and this little guy. It's pretty cute though, right?
That's cool.
I like it. I kind of like that it's gray. But the Gigi one would have been better because I wear more black than gray.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you wanna go get changed?
Yes. Bye-bye.
All right, okay, and so with that, let me know in the comments down below how you like this. If everybody has a Gigi ones they want to trade. I mean, I love this. I might give this as a gift to somebody, I don't know. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments below how you liked this, what you thought was really cute, what you would really like, what you would use this for, or where, you know, whatever. Leave a like if you liked this video, and go ahead and click subscribe if you want to see more things like this. I know that I said that I'm going to be going through a change in this channel, but it's going to be honestly more so towards this kind of stuff. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. So thanks so much for dropping by, and as always, stay beautiful. Bye.